Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is not the typical video that I do on this channel, but most likely if you're subscribed, you probably have Amazon Prime. If not everybody, most people have Amazon Prime, and Amazon Prime is 2 days away, depending on when you're watching this. It's the 13th and the 14th of October. Now, I was adding things to my cart shopping, and I already know what the days are. So I was like, this would be a great idea to film this video. So I have my little list here. It's just going to be 10 things, and I'm going to explain why I feel like you probably might need this. So the first one, before I even get started, on Amazon Prime, on both days is 13th and 14th, like I mentioned, Amazon is saying if you shop or if you spend $10 on small businesses, you also get to save $10. So if you didn't know that, now you know. First one I would say is a humidifier or purifier. So for me, I already have it in my cart. As you probably could tell throughout this whole video, I sound a little congested, and that's why I'm getting it. So every time the season changes, I always get like a little sick, a little like, I don't like it. So it's getting colder outside, so it's getting warmer on the inside because we are going to be turning on the air. And like, I'm in the basement of my house. My room gets the warmest because it's a room, and once the door is closed, it gets really hot in there when we turn on the central AC or central heat. And I don't want dry heat, like irritating. I just need moisture. So if that's, case in point, I just had to sneeze. So get a humidifier, okay? Bring some moisture back into your space. The second one is, these are things I feel like a lot of people don't think about. Like, you need it, but you don't know you need it. Is ink. If you have a printer in your house, are you low on ink? Add it to your cart. Like, all these things that I'm mentioning, you may not buy, and it's going to help you from having buyer's remorse, because you're not going to feel guilty after you've looked around your house and you've thought about the stuff that you need. So check your ink levels. And I would say this would be a good time to stock up on ink. Like, if you need any more ink for your printer, instead of just buying one, buy them in a bundle, and you're welcome. Hello? The third one is, if you are into DIYing or you just fix stuff around your house, I would say get a wireless drill brush, or not drill brush, a wireless drill. You can do so many things with drills, besides like screwing and unscrewing nails. I've been obsessed with watching a lot of people that detail cars. It's like my thing. I love it. I can watch it all day. That's why my car is always spectacular. Like, it's always clean in there. It's never dirty. So I ordered, this was a while ago, I ordered like brush heads to clean the carpet of my car. So it's always like really nice and spotless in there. And I have a little small vacuum that could also be something that you add to your cart. A small handheld vacuum that could always clean your car. But the drill brush, I keep saying drill brush, a wireless drill is good, because the one I have is wired. I've added a wireless one in my cart. It's really hard when you're trying to wash things with it, and it's wired. I don't want to get electrocuted. So it's very handy. A wireless drill, it's very handy. And everything that I'm mentioning that's already in my cart, or that I already own, I'm gonna link down below. So if you guys want to shop through my link, you can do that. You're not obligated to, but it would be nice because I'm giving you these ideas. Okay. So 4, if you live in a house, and I'm saying this for a house because then you're gonna get multi-usage out of this. If you live in a house, consider buying a pressure washer. Let me tell you why. Instead of you getting on your knees and your back is hurting scrubbing your bathroom, use a pressure washer. If you're washing your car outside in your driveway, use a pressure washer. If you're in a house, you don't want to be cleaning like all the bathrooms. Like it gets really, really tiring if you're doing it like all in one day. But doing a pressure washer, like if you just spray your wall with whatever it is that you used to wash, just pressure wash that bad boy, it's going to clean it. Oh my God, it's so good. And on the outside of your house, if your paint or whatever color your house is, if it's getting a little dirty and dusty, pressure washing that is really good. Your front lawn, your patio, your deck, pressure washing that is really good. If there's something that you just know has a lot of dirt, or washing your windows from outside, like your house windows, pressure washing them or power washing them, get a pressure washer. I'm telling you guys, it is, my nose itches. Oh, wow. When I ordered mine, I was just like, all these amazing things I can do with it, especially washing your car. Oh my God, it's so satisfying. It is so satisfying. It is so satisfying. Get a pressure washer and power wash everything around you. It'll make life so much easier. So number 5 is, I would say, get something for yourself that's like personal or wellness care. So I don't want to say something specific because that's different for everybody. So if you feel like you're not comfortable going to get a manicure and a pedicure right now, that you can buy those cute little sets that they have on Prime Day, and just, you know, learn how to do your own manicure and pedicure. Or if you already have something for your nails, get those foot massager thingies, and you're saving money. Yeah, because this is a one-time buy thing. You do your nails or your nails or your feet by yourself. I know not everybody wants to do that, but whatever personal care means to you, spoil yourself, because it's a lot going on right now. Just take care of yourself, and yeah. So number 6, we have 4 more to go. Number 6, if you have a pet, get your pet something nice. Get them a new bed. Get them some new bowls. Get them new toys. Your pets, especially if you've been at home this whole time, working from home, your pet literally has been there with you since March or April or whenever you've been staying home, working from home. Spoil them a little, the way you're spoiling yourself and taking care of your mental space or your mental well-being. Spoil your pets a little if you haven't already done that. There are plenty of things. I saw plenty of things on there. So get something and get your pet something. You know, they've had to deal with you throughout this whole entire pandemic. Spoil them a little. Number 7 is, if you are still working from home, if you haven't already done so, get yourself either a computer desk chair, chair, or a standing desk. I know some people, they don't want to just be sitting around all day. I know a lot of people have been wanting to get standing desks, so that's something you can do. Or if you've just been on your computer, and you need something more comfortable, if you don't already have a computer chair, I say get something that's really nice and durable, and it's gonna last you. It's gonna alleviate any back pains that regular chairs, after sitting on them for so long, might give you. So consider getting something like that. Another thing, this is number 8 now. Another thing that's related to what we just spoke about is get a laptop fan if you rather not stay in one position in your house, and you have to be maybe on your computer majority of the day, and you just don't want to be stationary, moving from space to space in your house, in your apartment, wherever you are. Consider getting a laptop fan so your laptop doesn't get like ridiculously hot and then you have to stop and wait for it to cool down. That can also be a great idea. Number 9, and I think number 9, I should have saved this for number 10, but number 9, I feel like is so crucial, and you won't know until I mention this. It's so simple, and it's batteries. Get any size of batteries, like stock up on these things, or maybe not stock up, but buy different types of batteries. All of these things. After number 10, I'm going to tell you how to avoid buyer's remorse. I touched on that earlier, but buy batteries. Buy batteries. Do you know how many things in your house uses batteries? Buy batteries. You need batteries. You need them. If you have a TV, you need batteries for your remote. Okay? And last but not least, hopefully I zoomed through these, is TV and camera accessories. I know I mentioned batteries. Batteries can be an accessory, but if there was something you wanted to get to go along with your TV, if you feel like, I'm gonna say a surround sound system, save that for Black Friday. Just any small accessories that you feel like you're missing, you've been wanting, all of these things, add all of these things that I mentioned, add them to your cart. You don't have to buy all of them, but add all of them to your cart. Same thing if you have a camera, if you need more batteries for your camera, if you need a remote for your camera, if you need more lenses or new lenses or, you know, a lens cap, lens filter, anything that has to do with like your gadgets that you already have, consider adding this also to your cart. I'll say the last bonus one is if you are a YouTuber, this might also be a good time to shop for backgrounds if you want some. I'll link the ones that I usually get down below in the description box because I really, really love them. I really, really love them. So that is it for the things that you should consider buying on Amazon Prime Day. Now, my little nuggets that I want to mention is anything, you notice I didn't mention anything that was like big budget, like a TV or a camera, because they can be really pricey. I feel like these are things that you want to save money for and wait till Black Friday and then get it on Black Friday, because I feel like you get it more discounted during that time of the year. So right now, just get little things here and there, or, you know, accessories. Most of the stuff I mentioned is something that you probably already have, something to go with it, so you don't feel like you're obligated to buy something brand spanking new that you weren't even thinking of buying. Last thing I want to mention, see how, guys, I'm so congested. My humidifier, I can't wait. The last thing I want to mention, I mentioned it earlier. Every single thing that I mentioned, add it in your cart. So I mentioned like a humidifier. Add 3 to 4 that catches your eye to your cart. Like, do this for each and every item that you maybe remember, or everything that I've mentioned that you may need or may not need. And then go through, like the ones that you already have in your cart, go through each and every one of them and look at the reviews. And the one that has the best reviews is the one that you should keep in your cart. So you'll eliminate, like, this will help you, like, I don't really need that. I actually do really need that. And sometimes when you're shopping for something, you see other suggested things that you may want to add. And, you know, it might be something I didn't mention because it didn't pop in my brain. And you never know. It might be something you need. It might be something you've wanted. But it'll help you eliminate the stuff that you feel like if you actually purchase it, that you regret it. You don't want to just add something in your cart and buy it right then and there. It's not going to be something that's like last minute and you're just like, ooh, I want that, I want that, I want that. It's going to help you on the actual day. You know, okay, I've gone through my list. And, you know, go around your house, everything I just mentioned. If you know, especially batteries, like the batteries that I mentioned, go around your remotes and all this other stuff and everything, the fire, the smoke alarm, your whatever it is that you may need batteries for, check to see the type of batteries, because I mentioned batteries, but everything in your house doesn't use the same type of batteries. So that can be something that you can stock up on. So on the day of, you're just ready to double check everything and check out. I feel like I mentioned everything I needed to mention. Like I said, don't buy anything that's really, really, really expensive. And, another thing, things like humidifiers or just anything I mentioned, make sure while all these things are in your cart, go to like Target, Bed Bath and Beyond, Best Buy. I was trying to say both of those things in one word. Walmart. I said Target already. And just, you know, price check everything that you already have in your Amazon cart. to see if all those other brands have it for less, and then look on that day, because what a lot of brands are now doing, they are now trying to compete with Amazon on their Prime Day. So they may also have exactly what you have in your cart there at a lesser price or at the same price. And all of those companies, I'm pretty sure they price match. So if Amazon is playing games with the prices, you can get it from Target or Walmart or Best Buy or Bed Bath & Beyond or anywhere else that's like one of those big places. So you're welcome. And like this video, let me know what you're getting down and in the comment section. I really want to know what you guys have been thinking about buying, because I'm excited. I'm excited to just, I'm not swiping my card. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next one.